Welcome to Homework Lib.
In the angle puzzle, find the labeled angles and arcs. I'm not going to go in necessarily any particular order. I'm going to kind of fill in the puzzle and then we can identify each part. So I'm just going to do things as I see them. So starting with um, arc ED, whoops. Notice that the inscribed angle 51 degrees opens up to it, which means the angle is half of the arc. This has got to be 102 degrees. Then we know that BE is a diameter, so there's got to be 180 degrees, meaning this has got to be 78 degrees for G. We know that that would mean angle B then, which opens up to 78 degrees, would be half of that, which would be 39. J would have to be half of the arc GFE, and so that would be 180 minus 44, which is 136, and half of 136 is 68. It's got to be 22, and 68 plus 22 plus 39 is 129, minus 80 is 151, which makes sense because this opens up to the 102 degrees of arc as well. Then let's see. D would have to be 90 because it opens up to half of the circle or the diameter, which means this angle, I don't know that we'll need that. A would be equal to, since it's outside of the circle, 1/2 of the difference of the intercepted arcs, which is going to be 102, and 360 minus 102, which is 258. And 258 minus 102 is 156, and half of that is 78. B is 39. Still working on C. D is 90. E, still working on that one. F, still working on. G is 78. H we're still working on. I we're still working on. J is 68. And K we're still working on. All right, if we complete the right triangle here, this would have to be 51 degrees. We know that all of this arc, would have to be double 68, which is 136, which makes sense because of the 44. This is key here. Chords BF and DE are congruent. So that would mean if DE, this chord creates a 102-degree arc, then so does BF, and 102 minus 44 is 58 degrees for I. Then completing the 180 for K, 180 minus 58 minus 44 would be 78 degrees for K. And then C opens up to 78 degrees, so it'd be half of that, or 39. H also opens up to 78 degrees, so H is 39. It's an inscribed angle, it's always going to be half of the arc it opens up to. E is a central angle, it's exactly the same as what it opens up to, so E is 78. And then F. F is an exterior angle to this triangle that I'm highlighting, so it's the same as 78 plus 22, which is 100 degrees. And I think we're solved.